So this zucchini plant got knocked over in the wind yesterday and its stem was broken. So I have come back through and I pounded a stake in, and then I tied the stake to this round tomato cage here for a little bit extra support. And I tied the stem to it as well. And I also grabbed some more soil and I tried to cover up the soil. That was, this little toad came in while I was watering.
He still has the, oh, he doesn't have the capital look.
No, but he's got eyes on the side, so just let it be. It's okay.
Oh, he has eyes.
So I piled up the soil on top of it and then I gave it a good water. So it's supposed to be 105 today. I don't know that this is gonna survive. This one's doing good, but I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna give it some support because of the wind, high winds today. So we'll see what we can do to support this guy and see if he'll survive. He's still alive, the zucchini plant. So we'll see. Oh, it looks like the toad's turning around, coming back.
Is that why you're gonna water me again? Are you hungry, Mr. Toady?
I was just watering the plant and the toad walked up to try to get a shower. It was washing its face, just like that. And then Maverick brought up some worms for the toad to eat. So, kind of fun.